Alright, we're going to be cleaning a two-bedroom apartment today. What we've done first is we've gone around and we've raked everything. We just use a big leaf rake. I guess you can see it there. We just use a big leaf rake for that part because we just want to grab everything we can off the surface. Maybe some hairs and things like that. Get all that stuff picked up before we get the vacuums out. In fact, you can kind of see, I'll show you here in the Dyson. We used the Dyson. The piles we made, we picked it up with the Dyson hose and we went around and did the edges. And this was clean when we got here. So there's some of the stuff we raked up and the edges and everything, and we picked all that up with this Dyson with the hose because it's really good at, it doesn't really, I've never had problems with it clogging. So there's that. So he's actually just vacuuming the closets first because we can't show those on camera very good anyway. But we're going to be vacuuming the living room, hallway, and this is a large bedroom. And like I said, he's already done the large closet and he's doing the small closet now. So we're going to show the vacuum of the main areas here. And there's also going to be a carpet cleaning video. We're going to have to use the Oric and the rug doctor to get all these stains and everything out, but it's not going to be that big a deal. Some of these may not come out, but you never know. But keep watching because we're going to show the vacuuming real quick. And of course at the end of the video we'll make a quick dump in the bag video too, so stay tuned for that. Alright, he raised it up one click, so it's a little higher, but I can see it's still lifting the carpet up. And that's what you want. You want the carpet to be kind of lifted up a little bit. And that way the brush hits it. But you don't want it up, you don't want it too low, or you won't get any airflow.
I raised it up because the vent squeal.
Yeah, that whine sound that it makes, it does that when you got to set it a little too low. You can't always tell till you run it a little bit. when you're doing these really dirty carpets, you have to be kind of careful because you're stepping on dirty areas and you'll crack dirt back into a clean area. So you kind of got to be aware that you're transporting dirt around on the bottom of your shoes. So it can make it, that's why we always make 2 passes also, to kind of catch stuff like that. Alright, he's done this strip up here both directions. So the carpet's already a lot fluffier and looks great. It's still lifting the carpet real well. Alright, he's about to start his other direction. I need to stop the camera for just a minute, and I'll come right back. And we're back. Yeah, sometimes he lifts the back wheels off the ground because he's trying to pick up some stuff.
Sometimes it looks like the back wheels come off the ground.
Yeah, sometimes
It's so low profile.
sometimes it's on video that they're 3 or 4 inches off the ground. But that's why he does that sometimes. You still see the carpet if you look closely. It looks like there's a wave just in front of the machine, and that's the carpet being lifted. When he goes back, you can notice it the most.
You can see the carpet lifting up.
But that's what you want, you just take your time. Take your time, goes from a couple of different directions if you can. And it gives you a better chance to get most of the dirt out. And you can do 3 or 4 different passes if you want to. We only really have time to do a couple, so.
Cal, move the cord and we'll do the hall and the bedrooms.
Yeah, stay tuned. So you can see that these jobs sometimes you may think is a little overwhelming. All you do is start at one point, start cleaning and keep working, and it's already transformed the carpet a great deal. So you just do these things. It takes a while, but before we get done, we'll have the carpet clean and looking as nice as possible.
Vacuuming the carpet is a huge part of carpet
Yeah,
cleaning. If
carpet
you're,
cleaning
if you're
is
not
big.
vacuuming well, you're ripping off your customers.
Well, it's not just that. You're not going to get good results
Nope.
as easily if you don't vacuum real well. So stay tuned. All right, here's the contents of the bag after we finish that apartment.
Pretty fair amount of stuff.
Yeah.
Lot of junk came out.
Well,
Yeah, dust and hair.
Hopefully you enjoyed that. Well, stay tuned and watch our next video when it comes out. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you later.